Okay, so I guess I have this to show off now that I've done it here. Had a little bit of problem doing this. This is the next step over to the map editor. So when you press the left mouse button, and basically what I'm doing is I added a VAO and a VBO, not to send in the position and the colors and all that other fun stuff, but because that stuff is calculated inside the vertex shader, calculates excuse me, the position. So the position, and this was all from I think a previous video. Okay, so this is layout location equals 0, float on or off. So it decides whether or not it is actually drawn or it is not drawn. So on off goes through, comes in here, goes out here, does not change. Okay, in here, if on off equals 2, it draws the random gems, otherwise it will discard it. And the positions on the screen are a nice little grid and everything. Okay. Okay, everything's 256 size, count frames, last count frame. Okay, so what's new? What is new? Right. That's not new. So basically, yeah, the only thing that I did was, now that I have that array of vertices, excuse me, which just has the on-off information to modify. When you click the left mouse button, it calculates the nearest point, and it sets that point to either 1 if it's 2 or 2 if it's 1. And then I had a little bit of a problem trying to figure out why this function was not working. It's called GL named buffer subdata, and it's used to update a subset of the array that you're trying to send into the vertex buffer, but it is not good in version 4.2, which is what we're working in. So the related function GL buffer subdata, which does not update a subset of your data, but just updates the whole data, which in this case is only 32 floats. So it's not a big deal. So basically we use it right here when we initialize the data. And so we're just basically rewriting the data all over again too. And all you need to do is bind the buffer and then write the buffer, and you don't have to clear it. Although you can clear it if you're using multiple buffers and all that fun stuff. So then it draws the grid, and they're each on or off randomly to start with, and you can click one on or off like this. Click it off if it's on, click it on if it's off. This is the beginning of the map editor. I'm going to add a right click to change the type so that it'll just the type will change. That'll be kind of cool, and they'll have to send that in. Excuse me. So you can fill the whole screen like this. And the click works just once, so as soon as you click, it sends the thing, and then I'm holding down the mouse button. It's only when you just click. So, there we go. That be all for now, and thanks for watching. Stay tuned, because I'm going to probably make another video shortly.